Hi, and welcome to this bite-sized tutorial on how to create a month-by-month P&L report in Xero. So we're in the demo company for Xero, and what we do is we start off going to the accounting menu and we select reports. And then we're going to select profit and loss. So the idea with anything like this is you select a report that you think is going to have the data in that you want, and then you customize it. So we'll select profit and loss, and we'll open up the list of reports here which are based around the standard profit and loss. Now actually the one we want, or the one we want to base our report on, is current financial year by month. So we'll select that, and you can see what that report is going to do. It is running from April 24 all the way through to March 25, and we want to customize it from there. So we'll minimize this area of the screen, and what we'll do is we'll go to more, and there's a few things that we can vary here. So we'll take out the decimal places, we'll put in a total for the report, and we'll take out year to date because we're interested in the total, and we might use this report to straddle financial years. Then we click update, and here we have running from April 24 to March 25 with totals, no decimal places so you can see a bit more on the screen. We have our report. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to save it as a custom report, and we're just going to call it P&L by month. And we're not going to make the custom report a default. We just want to have it run and be able to vary it when we run it. So we'll save that. That's now saved as a custom report. Now when we go to accounting and we go to reports, we can go to custom reports, and there's our P&L by month. We're only part way through this financial year, so what if we wanted to look at last financial year? Well, now it becomes quite straightforward, because all we need to do is to select last financial year as the period, run the update, and now we're looking at April 23 to March 24. So if we wanted to throw this into Excel, well, that's also very easy. Let's do that. So here's our very simple P&L from April 23 to March 24. Now let's just think a little bit about if we wanted to do a budget for the current financial year. And all we would really need to do is very simple terms. We'll copy that. We'll paste it over there. And then we'll just make this 25042024, and we can format that so that it is April 24, it's what it's going to show as, and then we can do equals that plus 30. And we will copy that across to the far right. So look at this. Now we have all the months we want. Then we can clear out the numbers. And hey presto, we've got the skeleton of a budget for 2024-25, all coming from our basic month-by-month report in Xero. So we'll go back to Xero, and I'm going to just change this to this financial year again. So we can really run this report for any period that we want to now, which is what we set out to achieve. So thank you very much for watching.